So the app that runs this, I think it's called a UM18, but it basically has like the barrel cable. It has USB-C, USB-A, both input and output. It has USB-C, which is charging my watch right now. And the reason that I get it is because some cables, some chargers, they don't produce the right amount of power. And this one actually lets you track like the milliamp hours. You can reset them and everything from the app. I'm going to go to the app real quick and show you. So here we have my power is 1.3 watts. This capacity here below is actually from me charging the Anker. And so it has like 4,596 milliamp hours, which is about 91 watt hours. But you can hit reset and clear all that, and then the record time for how long I left it on overnight. But yeah, and then I have this Anker, which also has a built-in ability to show. So you wouldn't really necessarily need this paired with this Anker. It's just a lot cooler to have the Bluetooth capabilities and be able to track more. But this also shows the temperature, the total input over time, total output, screen uses, battery cycles. Yeah, this does have a lot more information. But yeah, that's basically it. And it's 140 watt input output. So it can charge. You would probably want to get the 140 watt charging brick. So you can charge this whole thing just like a cell phone. Actually a lot faster than a cell phone. And then I'm using that to charge like laptops, you know, drones, whatever you want. Alright, yep, hope that makes sense. I got way too many apps on this phone. There we go.